Every day, citizens of Metro Manila face their mornings with this: traffic, pollution, and the noise of a highly populated city. Our urbanized cities are listed as some of the densest areas in the world. In fact, according to the 2015 Global Satisfaction Record, Metro Manila has the worst traffic in Southeast Asia. And yet, people choose to live in these conditions. They choose to live with the stress of the city because their livelihood is there. But what if we told you there is great promise elsewhere? A stress-free environment where you can bring out the best of your workforce. With 21 municipalities, 3 component cities, and 569 barangays. Just 40 kilometers north of Metro Manila, we are working towards creating a new hub of opportunities for our locators, with over 30 hectares of industrial land currently being developed in Baliwag, Bulacan.
There is great potential in Baliwag, and we want to provide more opportunities to business owners. Now, Baliwag is the ideal location to set up their businesses. We are excited with the development of the Polaris Industrial Estates, as this project opens the doors of opportunities to both locators and Baliwag.
Here in the Polaris Industrial Estates, we aim to create a sustainable way of doing business, which is why we have several infrastructures in the making. One of which is a 110,000 liter capacity overhead tank, which means we will have an abundant supply of water. And a 3-phase power supply will also be available to generate the needed electricity by its heavy industrial locators. Polaris Industrial Estates is already in talks with telco providers so that the latest fiber optic technology will be installed in the entire complex. We believe that the investors here only deserve the best, so we are working on plans to provide our locators with only the best services.
With several ongoing government road projects, Polaris is now more accessible. Some of these new projects include the Metro Manila Skyway Stage 3 and new bypass roads in Plaridel, Baliwag, and Doña Remedios Trinidad, and other infrastructures and roads that will make transportation of goods and supplies from Metro Manila a lot easier and convenient. Not to mention, soon, we will have the new Bulacan International Airport that will route here in Bulacan town, which is only 25 kilometers away from Baliwag. And with all these into the mix, it's safe to say that Baliwag has a huge upside potential and can be the new business hub.
With the new airport and all these new road projects, we are going to make Baliwag, Bulacan the new industrial hub. And most recently, Polaris got the accreditation by the Board of Investments as a domestic industrial zone, granting us several investment incentives such as income tax holiday, duty exception on several types of goods, exemption for wharfage dues and other taxes, additional deduction for labor expenses, and several other incentives. These make it convenient for our locators who will set up their businesses with us. Business transactions will be seamless. This is only one step in our master plan for Polaris Industrial Estates, and we want to invite you to be part of our vision. Explore the potential outside of the metro. Together, we will build a sustainable and progressive future at Polaris Industrial Estates.